If you want to quickly organize your document, navigate long files more easily, or create precise reference points inside your text, then learning how to add a bookmark in LibreOffice Writer is a really useful skill. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to add a bookmark in LibreOffice Writer so you can mark important spots in any document in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it opens, you can either create a brand new Writer document or open an existing document you're already working on. This works the same way either way, so choose whichever option matches your task. If you're editing a report, notes, or a long document, this is especially helpful because bookmarks let you jump back to specific places instantly. Now, go to the exact location in the document where you want the bookmark to be placed. This could be a heading, a paragraph, a section of text, or anywhere else you want to reference later. It's important to click in the right spot first because the bookmark will be attached to the current cursor position. So take a second to make sure your cursor is exactly where you want it. Once the cursor is in place, look at the top menu and click Insert. This menu contains many different options for adding elements into your document. After clicking Insert, look for Bookmark in the drop-down list and select it. This will open the Bookmark dialog box where you can create and name your bookmark. In the Bookmark name field, type a clear name for your bookmark. Try to use something that is easy to recognize later, like a section name, topic name, or short label. A good bookmark name makes it much easier to find and use your bookmark in the future, especially if your document has several important sections. After entering the name, click Insert. And that's it. Your bookmark has now been added to the selected location in LibreOffice Writer. You can repeat the same process whenever you need more bookmarks in the same document. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your documents organized and make navigation much easier. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more LibreOffice and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.